Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Cigna for claims and benefit enrollment, beginner guide step by step clearly. To register with Cigna for claims and benefit enrollment, start by visiting the Cigna website. Look for the register or sign up button, typically found on the top right corner of the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a page prompting you to enter your personal information. Fill in your first name, last name, and date of birth as required. Next, provide your email address and create a secure password. Ensure your password meets all security requirements, including minimum character length and special characters. After entering your information, review the consent agreements provided on the page. Check the box indicating that you agree to the terms and conditions. Click the Continue button to proceed to the next step. You may receive an email for verification, so check your inbox for a message from Cigna. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. This will redirect you back to the Cigna website. Log in using your email address and the password you just created. Once logged in, navigate to the Claims and Benefits Enrollment section. Follow the prompts to complete your claims registration. You will need to enter your insurance policy number and any other requested information. Review all entered details carefully to ensure accuracy. Submit the information to finalize your claims registration. You will receive confirmation of your registration via email shortly after. Access your account in the future to check claims status and manage your benefits. Remember to keep your login credentials secure for easy access later. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.